Today I'm comparing just a bunch of different microphones to help you kind of clarify what different types of mics there are and maybe which one you would need for your particular shoot. We're here in an office, but there is some background noise, so I think it's a good test to see, you know, if you're in your own home office, wherever you're shooting, there probably is going to be some background noise. So I'm just going to run through all the mics that I'm using right now. First, I have my lavalier microphone, so that's the lapel mic that's clipped on right here, so you can hear that right now. Next, right in front of me, I have my Rode NTG3 shotgun microphone. I'm also recording with the Zoom H4n microphone right here, the internal microphone of the Zoom H4n. Over here, I have the Rode video mic that's on top of the Sony a7S II, so that's the onboard shotgun microphone, and you could probably hear a big difference comparing that to the Rode NTG3 mic, shotgun mic, which is right here, which typically would be out of frame below me or above me. And then on the Sony F5, we're actually recording with a Sennheiser ME66 shotgun microphone, so you can hear the difference between the onboard shotgun microphone, which is a high quality shotgun microphone, compared to the Rode video mic. And then the close-up shotgun microphone right here, the Rode NTG3. So you gotta kind of figure, if you are using a shotgun, can you go onboard, or do you have to have someone booming it or setting it up closer to your subject? And then last but not least, if you are shooting closer up, which I am doing right now with my 70D, I have the Rode Video Mic Pro, and because I am closer, the audio probably does sound quite a bit better than having a Rode Video Mic or Rode Video Mic Pro onboard a camera that's farther away. Right now I'm about 1 foot or 1.5 feet away from this camera, but compared to the Sony a7S II or the Sony F5, I'm about 3 or 4 feet away from those guys. So the distance really does matter. When it comes down to it, the wireless lav system is really great when you are doing on-camera interviews, talking head style videos, but obviously right now I'm wearing a t-shirt and you can see it because I can't really hide it anywhere. You can get some lav tape or something to hide it beneath the shirt, or if I'm wearing a button-up collar shirt. The other thing you have to deal with is lavaliers, wireless lavaliers, and batteries. Mine literally just ran out of batteries, so now we're using the Rode NTG3 audio. But that's something you have to be aware of. You can get wired lavaliers, but then you're attached to the camera. And if you're walking around, or if you get a lot of background noise like this, we can hear how the different microphones deal with that background audio. How did the different microphones deal with that background audio? How did the different microphones deal with that background audio? How did the different microphones deal with that background audio? How did the different microphones deal with that background audio? But back to lavaliers, wireless lavaliers are great for walk and talk if you are filming someone from afar. But for me, what I found is that when I'm shooting a lot of videos at home, which I do a lot of tutorials, on-camera tutorials, it's nice to have something set up like a shotgun microphone where it's out of frame and I don't have to deal with changing batteries and clipping on and hiding my lavalier microphone. So this is a big shootout or audio shootout for all of these different microphones. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about any of these microphones, please send a comment down below and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. In the end though, I think lavaliers are great for talking head setups if you're doing interviews, if you don't have a shotgun microphone. If you are using a shotgun microphone, the audio definitely sounds better when it is closer to the subject. So if you're shooting by yourself and you don't have a boom operator, then you might have to have it on camera. So again, a lavalier might be good. And in a pinch, if you can just have the shotgun attached to your camera, or using something like the Rode Video Mic or the Rode Video Mic Pro might be the way to go. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.